Hello, this is Lecture 6, Module 2, JP212, Advanced Radio Broadcasting. Your instructor is me, Musa Simiemba, from the Department of Arts and Media Studies. In this lecture, we are going to start looking on these elements of radio script. And we start with the jingle. Maybe you can ask, what is jingle? In a simple term, jingle is a catch tune or a slogan. It can be a catch tune or a slogan. What is the purpose or the uses of jingle? The main use of jingle is just for reinforcing identity. It can be a station identity, it can be a producer's identity, maybe a presenter's identity, or DJ's identity. So it's all about identity. Who is who? And they are played frequently through a broadcast. For example, a music program may be presented by a certain DJ. You'll find that the jingle of that DJ is played throughout that particular program. Or maybe a certain radio program. You find that the jingle of that particular program is played throughout that particular program. But the jingle of radio is played throughout different programs in that particular radio. This is an example of jingle. You can see here a jingle. Let me play this jingle.
LA's #1 hit music station 102.7 Kiss FM.
That is a jingle. Jingle, and this is a station ID. You find that it's a jingle which reinforces the identity of a radio station. You find the name of the radio as well as the frequency of that radio, which is accompanied by a catch tune. Let us see another one.
1, 2, 3,
This is DJ Matthew Stevenson. Now you know.
Turn up the volume.
DJ Matthew Stevenson.
Well, now you can see this is also a jingle, but jingle of a DJ. This DJ is called Marky Stevenson. You see? And you as a DJ, maybe you can produce your own jingle that will be played through your program. And also there is
This is Mighty Mike. All the hits.
Okay, I think this Mad Mike is maybe a name of the presenter, maybe of a certain program. If you are a presenter of a particular program, mostly these music programs, you find that this. Just enjoy.
97.9.
Enemies won't try figure my steps. Even as I walk through the valley.
Adults call him Nana Kwesiwusi. Boys call him PM. But the ladies call him the fine.
As you find that there is a music that is playing. In the background you find that jingle. So when you play music, maybe in the background you play your jingle. Things like that. You can see from this example.
PM the finest. I love footstep.
Thanks for loving my style. Dub Nation on the back, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the Freestyle Fridays edition of The Drive of Your Life. My name is Nana Kwesiwusi, but you can simply call me PM.
So that is enough. So this is all about jingle we have seen. So thank you for watching. See you next time in Sign Tune, I think. You're welcome.